Welcome, SofTappers!
Today we're talking about the 12 prong.
The 12th prong is the OG workhorse for all procedures.
This was one of the very first needles we ever created.
Back in the day, it was used for brows, eyeliner, lips, scar camouflage, areola, everything.
Nowadays, we have a lot wider selection of needles to choose from that are more specific to different procedures. We mostly use it for eyebrows.
It is still a go-to needle for many professionals. It has regular gauge needles, which are great for a nice soft effect, and the size of the 12 is ideal for most brows. As with most of our needles, you can use it in a variety of ways. You can use just the front end, you can use the back end, you can flip it over and just use one single needle. So it has a lot of different ways that you can actually use the tool, which is great.
It's just a really excellent, reliable go-to needle that we come back to time and time again. It's not really designed for microblading. We have better sizes for that, like the Genuine 14 prong.
It produces a defined effect, which is good for the brows, but not so great for things like areola, scar camouflage, where you want a little bit more of a powdery soft effect.
It's also less efficient for filling in larger areas like the areola or the lips or large areas of scar camouflage because it is only 12 needles. If you need to do something that's larger, then you should switch to a larger size needle like the 36, the 52, or the 84. Those needles will cut your time in half or more. The 12 prong is used to tap quickly and gently throughout the brows for a medium to soft definition fill.
We do really like it for combo brows. It adds a nice soft fill to a hair stroke brow, and it's very fast and easy to fill.
One of the things I love about the 12 is that it easily fits just about any eyebrow. You can tap quickly with it, you can tap slowly with it, you can tap more randomly if you want a softer effect, or you can tap more precisely for a more defined effect. Here I have a lot of color on the needle because I want to fill in quickly, and I'm traveling around a lot more. Another thing I love about the 12 is that you can easily turn it and angle it to fit any part of the eyebrow. You can also use just the back end and fill in the places that are shorter. And I could easily switch to another needle here, but it's really easy to angle the 12 to get the part that I need. I'm still tapping randomly, still filling in, and it's really easy just to turn my hand. You can also use the 12 for the edges. If you tap more randomly, the result will be softer, and if you tap more precisely in the same spot over and over, then you'll get more of a line. So you can use this to define the underside of the brow or give a softer edge to the top. In summary, the 12 prong is a great workhorse needle that every professional should have in their drawer.
You can use it for just about anything, but we really like it for soft to mediumly defined eyebrows.
Would you like us to review another product? Leave a comment or send us an email at info@softaps.com.
As always, we're so happy to try and help you discover all the different things about our needles, so please let us know, and until next time, happy tapping!